everyone, this is Meeral Vijay Pense and let's see what the second week of November 2020, that is the 8th to the 14th of November 2020, has in store for the sun sign Scorpio. For Scorpio, the second week of November is going to be a week where there is a lot of things which are going to happen around you, and not exactly for the better, not exactly something that you would like, and yet you have to physically manage everything and practically not let the disappointment get to your heart. You will have to see to it that you diplomatically manage all the situations while positively thinking of what could be done to salvage the situation, something like a disaster management. Moving on to the workspace, especially for people who are self employed or people who are businessmen having their own businesses, this week could come as a little bit of a disappointment. A particular project on which you've been quite investing since quite some time is likely not to pay off, or you might receive some bad news about a long-term made investment, and that could actually bring you down financially. It might not be now feasible to further invest. So there are major decisions to be taken regarding a particular investment at your workspace. Yes, the news is disappointing, but all is not lost. The situation still could be salvaged only if you see to it that you don't let it get it to your heart. Rather, get effectively to disaster management and see to it how the situation could be salvaged at its best. Moving on to finances, the workspace disappointments can actually pour their way into your financial areas. You might be expecting some certain kind of a return on investment or certain kind of financial gains, and now when it is confirmed via your work that they are not happening, it might lead to a kind of financial restrictions, something which is definitely not going to sit with you very nicely. You're going to be extremely inconvenient about it, but this is the way the finances are for the Scorpios for the second week of November. It is best to deal with it with as much as positivity as you can. Moving on to the relationships. Again, here what will happen is all of a sudden you or your partner will have a complete emotional disconnect with each other. It's like physically you're together, whether you're married or whether you're just in a relationship, you will find that you'll have become very emotionally complacent with each other. There is nothing happening in the relationship. Things are on autopilot mode kind of a thing. So yes, you need to sit down with your partner. You need to discuss things with your partner if in case that you feel or your partner feels that the relationship is getting emotionally stagnant. It is better to again yet salvage the situation and nurture it before it gets a little bit uncomfortable or before it goes beyond your reach. Moving on to the health. Health for the Scorpions absolutely is going to be very beautiful for this entire week, despite of all happenings all around you. Your health is not going to go through any kind of a discomfort or unease, but yes, as usual, you have to let go. You have to just continue your usual routine as usual without actually going overboard on eating or drinking or anything of that stuff. Maintain your eating, sleeping habits as usual, and your health will be absolutely fine for the rest of the week. Here's wishing you a very, very happy and a blessed week ahead.